The TCS3200 color recognition sensor module is engineered to identify and measure the color of an object with high precision. Employing an array of photodiodes with different color filter S, the sensor is adept at quantifying the color components, red, green, blue, of the light it senses. The sensor contains a grid of photodiodes, each covered by a colored filter. Red, green, blue are clear. Light reflecting off an object strikes these photodiodes. The sensor then measures the intensity of each color component and outputs a square wave whose frequency is proportional to the detected color intensity. This frequency can be measured by a microcontroller to determine the color composition of the object. The TCS3200 color recognition sensor module is a versatile device for accurately detecting color S. It uses photodiodes and LEDs to capture and process reflected light, providing RGB color values. This sensor finds applications in robotics and industrial automation for precise color detection.